Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning in bed, unable to sleep? Maybe your mind is racing with thoughts of the day, or you're anxious about what tomorrow holds. Believe me, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, finding peace, especially at night, seems like a luxury. The never-ending to-do lists, the constant connectivity, and the pressure to succeed can leave us feeling overwhelmed and stressed. It's hard to switch off when the world won't stop buzzing. And even when we want to find solace in sleep, it feels elusive. But here's the truth. Sleep is not merely the absence of wakefulness. It's a journey into restoration, a chance to recharge the mind, body, and soul. It's during these quiet hours that we connect with our inner selves on a deeper level. And it's in this connection that we discover the keys to a more peaceful life. You might be thinking, I wish it was that simple, but my mind is too cluttered, my thoughts too chaotic. Well, I'm here to tell you that it can be simple. There is a rhythm to the universe, a natural flow to life that we can tap into if we know how. And this knowledge is what we're going to explore tonight. Stay with me. Let us embark on a journey to reclaim the night, quiet the mind, and awaken the soul. Welcome to Soulful Nights, a place where we delve into practices and philosophies that help you live a more mindful, intentional, and soul-aligned life. Before we dive into our night ritual, I invite you to take a moment to introduce yourself in the comments below. Tell us a bit about yourself, what brings you to this space, or what you hope to gain from our time together. I would love to have a better understanding of the community that's joining me on this journey. Also, if you find value in our sessions, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, our main focus tonight is on a simple yet profound practice. How to quiet your mind at night. Why, you ask? Because the state of our mind at night directly influences the quality of our sleep and the start of our day. A cluttered mind can lead to restless nights and a heavy heart. But a tranquil mind is the gateway to rejuvenation and clarity. Here's a little secret. The key to quieting your mind lies within you. It's not about seeking peace from external sources or waiting for the perfect conditions. It's about cultivating an inner sanctuary where peace resides. It's about recognizing that you hold the power to transform your evenings into moments of tranquility. Before we dive into our night ritual, let's first understand why quieting the mind is so essential. In today's world, we're bombarded with stimuli from the moment we wake up until bedtime. Social media notifications, work deadlines, family obligations, financial concerns, and the constant pressure to perform can leave us mentally exhausted. This overload can manifest as anxiety, insomnia, difficulty concentrating, and even physical ailments. That's why quieting the mind at night is not just a nice-to-have practice, but a necessity for overall well-being. It allows us to process our emotions, relieve stress, and rejuvenate both our body and mind. When we quiet our minds, we open ourselves up to a deeper connection with our inner selves, allowing our souls to speak to us. This connection is vital for personal growth, as it enables us to tap into our intuition, creativity, and inner wisdom. Quieting the mind also enhances our ability to solve problems, make decisions, and navigate life's challenges with grace and clarity. So now that we've established the importance of quieting our minds, let's dive into a practical night ritual that you can incorporate into your routine. Our night ritual consists of 5 simple steps designed to guide you from the external quiet of your surroundings to the internal quiet of your mind and spirit. Step 1. Disconnect from the noise. Begin by disconnecting from external noise. Turn off your television, put your phone on silent, and step away from your laptop. Create a peaceful environment by dimming the lights and lighting candles if you like. This step is about establishing a physical quietude that mirrors the inner peace you're aiming to achieve. Step 2. Breathe with intention. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nostrils. Hold the breath for a couple of seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This focused breathing helps calm your nerves and shift your attention from the day's activities to the present moment. Step 3. Release the day. Visualize any lingering thoughts, worries, or stresses of the day floating away. You can imagine placing these thoughts into a box, sealing it, and letting it go. This symbolic act helps detach from the day's events, allowing you to fully embrace the peace of the night. Step 4. Gratitude reflection. Reflect on 3 things you're grateful for from the day. These could be big or small moments. Gratitude shifts your perspective, reminding you of the beauty in everyday life and helping you release any negativity. Step 5. Affirm your soul. Repeat positive affirmations that resonate with you. Say things like, "I am at peace," "I am enough," or "My soul is free." These affirmations reinforce a sense of inner peace and remind you of your inherent worthiness of love and happiness. After practicing this ritual, take some time to journal your thoughts and feelings. This can help process any remaining emotions and solidify the peace you've cultivated. Remember, the essence of this practice lies in consistency. Aim to practice this night ritual daily, allowing it to become a natural part of your routine. With time, you'll notice a significant difference in your mental health, emotional well-being, and overall quality of life. Here's the truth. Quieting your mind is not about escaping life. It is about recharging the soul so that you can live fully, clearly, and peacefully. Every night you have the power to choose to carry the chaos of the day into your dreams or to release it and enter the sanctuary of inner peace. As we bring this soulful night to a close, I want to remind you of the transformative power that lies within you. The ability to quiet your mind and awaken your soul is a skill that can enrich every aspect of your life. By embracing this practice, you're not just transforming your nights, you're shaping your entire existence. The peace you find within will radiate outwards, touching every relationship, every dream, and every pursuit. Remember, your journey of self-discovery and inner peace is a continuous one. There will be times when the path is smooth and the journey inwards feels effortless, and there will be times when the road is bumpy and the journey seems daunting. But through it all, stay committed to your practice. Stay patient with yourself, and above all, stay open to the infinite possibilities that await you. Thank you for joining me on this soulful night. May the peace you find within continue to guide you through the day. If you resonated with the insights shared tonight, don't hesitate to show your support. Your support means the world to me, and it helps spread this message of inner peace to more people. If you would like to share your experiences, insights, or any thoughts that arose during our session, please drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe. By subscribing, you'll stay connected to our upcoming Soulful Nights and other content that aligns with your journey towards mindfulness and self-discovery. Before we part ways, I leave you with this. Embrace the quiet moments, for in them lies the language of your soul. Until we meet again in our next Soulful Night, may your journey inward be filled with light, love, and laughter.